Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to revise few problems from division chapter. So all of you, please take your notebook. Mainly we will divide 3-digit and 2-digit numbers. So I will show you one example. After that, I'll give you problems to do. So everybody, please take your notebook. First problem I will show you as example. So no need to copy down. Listen. Okay. First problem, no need to write. For an example, I'm showing. So please don't copy now. Fold your hands and listen. Are you all ready?
Yes.
So
Yes.
72 divided by 6. When you divide 72 by 6, anyway, in the table of 6, you cannot see 72. If you are writing till 10, 10, 6 are 60 only we will get. 72 we cannot get. So you have to divide right inside the bracket and you have to divide. Okay. And you have to follow the steps C, D, M, S, B. C for what?
Compare.
Compare.
Now right.
No need to write. So compare is the important step. Whenever you divide a digit, the first thing is that you have to compare. If the dividend is greater than or equal to, either it should be greater or it should be equal to the divisor, then only you can divide it. Okay. Next, D is for
Divide.
divide. From the table, you will get the quotient, then the division step is over. You have to write the table and check, then you will get the quotient, then your division is over. Next, multiply.
Multiply.
In the multiplication table, which quotient we are selecting, along with that we will get a product that you can write down to the dividend that we have divided. I will show you an example. S for subtract,
Subtract.
B for
Bring down.
bring down.
Bring down.
Okay, let it be there. No need to copy down. Please listen. So 72 by 6. Whenever we do division, you have to start from the which digit? Which digit? Leftmost digit. Here the leftmost digit is 7. So we can do the follow the steps. First we can compare. 7 is less than 6 or greater than 6?
Greater than 6.
Greater than 6. 7 is greater than 6. So we can divide 7 by 6. So next step is that if you can divide, you can write the table of the divisor. Here which is the divisor?
Divisor. For 7.
No.
2.
No. No. The number outside the bracket. This one is the divisor. Here 6 is the divisor and 72 is the dividend. It is very important to find out the dividend and divisor. Okay. So 6 is the divisor and 72 is the dividend. So you can write 6 outside. 6 is the divisor. You can write the table of 6 and check whether 7 is coming in the table of 6. 1 6 is 6. 2 6 are
12.
12. Can we take 12?
No.
No, because here only 7. We only dividing 7 now. So we cannot take 12. We can take only 6. And from the step 6 divided by 6 is equal to what will be the quotient? 1. 1 is the quotient. So 1 we can write on the top of the bracket. And 6 we can write down to the dividend that we have divided. That means we have divided 7. So you can write 6 down to 7. Now 7 minus 6, what you will get? 7 minus 6? 1. And bring down? Bring down? 2. Next step is bring down. Now you have 12 divided by 6. 12 is, again you have to repeat all these steps. 12 is less than 6 or greater than 6?
Greater than 6.
So we can divide 12 by 6. Here already we got 12 here in the table. So which will be the quotient?
2.
2 will be the quotient. So 2 you can write over here and 12 we can write here. Next step is
Divide.
Ah.
Multiply.
Multiply. No. Multiplication over, that's why we have written 12.
Subtract.
Subtract. 12 minus 12 you will get?
0.
0. So what is the quotient we got?
Quotient. 10.
Here. 12. What is the remainder? 0.
0.
Okay.
Okay.
Now have you all understood the steps?
Yes.
Now, if I am giving one problem, try to do it. Whether the answer is correct or wrong, no problem. But you have to try to do it. Okay? So
Yes.
everybody open your book and do a question.
Ma'am, rough book. Ma'am, I cannot see
Notebook.
clearly.
In the notebook you can write.
Ma'am, back page. Ma'am, back page.
No, the front page as a continuation.
51 divided by 5. 15 divide.
So 51 divided by 5.
M S
So first you have to divide
5.
5 by 5. 5 is less than 5 or greater than 5 or equal to 5?
Equal.
5 is equal to 5. So we can divide 5 by 5. So for that, all of you write the table of the divisor. Here the divisor is?
1.
Is it 1?
No. 5.
5. So write the table of 5 over here.
1, 5. 5 ones are 5.
It will be better if you are writing like this. 1, 5 is 5. Like that.
5. 2 into 5, 10. 3 into 5, 15. 4 into 5, 20. 5 into 5, 25. 6 into 3, 30.
Please mute your audios and do it. So, dear children, here 1, 5 is 5. So, we got already the dividend over here. 5. What will be the quotient?
Quotient
Uh,
5.
Quotient?
51.
1. Quotient is 1. So you can write 1 on here and 5 we can write down to the dividend that you have divided. Now subtraction. 5 minus 5?
0.
0. And what is the next step?
Bring down.
Bring down 1.
Bring down.
Now 1 is less than 5 or greater than 5?
Less than 5.
1 is less than 5. So can we divide 1 by 5?
No.
No. So what you will do?
Put a 0 on top.
Very good. You have to put a 0 on as the quotient. Okay. Here no more digits to bring down. Here no more digits to bring down. So you can stop the division. If any more digits are there to bring down, you can continue the division. Here no more digits to bring down. So you can stop the division. So you can consider this 1 as the remainder because our division over. So what is the quotient we got?
10.
10. And what is the remainder we got?
1.
1. Okay.
Okay.
So, how many of you got the correct answer? Let me
Ma'am,
see.
I got.
Let me see. And Pavira. Oh, yes. Savion, Adidev, Adityan, Vihan, Joseph. Nobody else? Anyway, for the next question, everybody try to get the correct answer. And those who made mistake, please understand your mistake. So next question is, it is a three-digit number, 553 divided by 4. All of you start doing that. Ahian, please turn on your video. Ahian, Michelle, please turn on your video. Everyone,
3 divided
ah,
by 4.
please turn on your videos. 553 divided by 4. In this question, which is the dividend?
Dividend 553.
Very good. 553 is the dividend. And which is the divisor?
Divisor 4.
4 is the divisor. So all of you, when you divide, table of which number you have to write? Multiplication table of which number you have to write? 4.
4.
So all of you start doing. First, take the first digit, leftmost digit 5 to divide.
Three.
Okay, the first step you have to divide 5 by 4. So first you compare 5 and 4. 5 is less than 4 or greater than 4?
Greater than 4.
5 is greater than 4. 5 is, Joseph, 5 is less than 4 or greater than 4?
Greater.
5 is more than 4. Yes? So we
Yes.
can divide 5 by 4. So we can write the table of 4 and just see whether 5 is coming. Here 2 4s are what you will get. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are
8.
8. Dear children, can we write 8? Can we take 8?
No.
No. Here only
4.
we only can take 4.
4.
And what will be the quotient when you divide?
Quotient 1.
1. So 1 you can write over here. Then 4 you can write here down. 5 minus 4?
1.
1. And what is the next step? Kailas,
Bring down.
bring down this next digit 5. So it is
15.
15 divided by 4. 15 is very clear. 15 is greater than 4. So you can divide 15 by 4. So all of you please divide 15 by 4 and find out the quotient. So what is the quotient you got after 1? After 1, which number you got as quotient? Which digit you got as quotient? 3. Very correct. Very correct. So those who haven't got, please check. 15 divided by 4. So let us continue the table and check whether 15 is coming. 3 fours are what you will get?
3 fours are 12.
12. 4 fours are
16.
16. Can we take 16?
No.
No. Which
It's
one only we can take?
12.
12 only we can take. So in this step, which is the quotient? 12 divided by 4. From this step, 12 divided by 4, what you will get?
12 divided by 4 equal to 3.
3 is the quotient. Here 4 divided by 4, 1 is the quotient. Like that, 12 divided by 4, 3 is the quotient. So you can write 3 here and 12 down here to the dividend that we have divided. Next, what is the next step? What is the next step?
Move down.
Before bring down, 15 is there, 12 is there. What do you want to do it? Multiply. Is it coming? Multiplication over. That's why we have written here 12. Subtract. 15 minus 12 you have to subtract. 5 minus 2. What you will get? 5 minus 2. 3. 1 minus 1.
0.
0. The next step is that after subtraction only you can bring down. Okay. Keep in mind, you have to subtract. After that only you can bring down. So bring down. Now it is 33 divided by 4. 33 is greater than 4. So you can divide 33 by 4. Continue the table and find out the quotient.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Michelle, feeling sleepy?
Ma'am,
Ah.
there's a doubt.
Oh, yes.
33 minus 36. No, 36. Sorry.
Okay.
32.
Be careful. Don't make careless mistakes. After doing once more, you check.
Finished. Ma'am.
So when you continue the table, 4 fours are 16. 5 fours are what you will get?
20.
20. 6 fours are
24.
24. 7 fours are
28.
28. 8 fours are
32.
32. 9 fours are
36.
36. See, we only have 33. Can we take 36?
No.
No. So which one we can take?
32.
32 we can take. Then what will be the quotient?
8.
8 will be the quotient. So let us write 8. So 8 we can write here, and 32 you can write down to the dividend that you have divided. Now 33 minus 32?
1.
1.
1.
3 minus 3?
0.
0. So which is the quotient?
Quotient 138. 138.
What 138? And what is the remainder?
Remainder 1.
1. Okay. Now it is very important to find to do the checking, to learn how to do checking. Okay. So how to do checking? Anybody has any idea how to do checking?
remainder should be
That will just
less than the
that for every question you can just check, but we cannot confirm if you got a less remainder than the divisor. We cannot confirm whether our division is correct. We have to do an important step that is very important.
quotient into dividend equal to
No, quotient into
dividend plus
not dividend,
remainder.
divisor. Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to
Dividend.
dividend. That is very important. You have to by heart it, learn it thoroughly. Okay. Quotient into divisor plus remainder equal to dividend. Here, which is the quotient in this problem? Which is the quotient?
138.
138 is the quotient, and which is the divisor?
4.
4 is the divisor. Others also please respond. What is the remainder then? What is the remainder?
1.
1 equal to dividend. In this question, which is the dividend?
Dividend is 553.
553. So, we don't want to do anything with the right side part. You only want to do the calculation along with the left side. 138 into 4. We don't have enough time.
Ma'am, let me calculate the answer.
Yes. Just 138 into 4. We cannot spend much time for multiplication. 138 I help you to do. 8 fours are
Ma'am, almost finished the 8 fours are 32.
2
2
here. 3
One
fours
place.
are 12. 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3.
12.
12 plus 3.
12 plus 3. 15.
5 here. 1 balance. Sorry, 3 fours are not 2. 3 fours are 12 plus 3. 15. 5 here. 1 balance. Now,
2.
1 4 is 4. 4 plus 1. 5. So we got 552 plus 1.
Plus remainder equal to
That is the next step you
553.
can do. You can bring down this 553 to the next step. That you don't want to do anything. Now 552 plus 1.
53.
553 and here also 553. That is true, right?
Yes.
So your division is correct. If you got like this, your division is correct. This is the way you have to do the checking. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to do checking in exam also.
I cannot hear you.
If it is asked to do the checking, you have to do it. Okay.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Please check your device, dear. Here the volume is maximum. Okay. So, quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. That is the checking you have to do. So, quotient into divisor plus you just in the right side you don't want to do any calculation, just bring down the dividend in each step. But in the left side you have to do the calculation. You have to multiply the quotient into divisor. Along with that you have to add the remainder, and the both side you have to get the same number, then your division is correct. Is that clear to you all?
Yes.
Now I am going to give you one question to do. All of you please take your book and do 642 by 3.
142 by 3. Ma'am?
642 by 3.
642.
by 3 divided by 3.
142 divided by 3. Zero. Yeah.
Ma'am, we have to do checking also.
For this question, you can do the checking. First do the division,
Then checking.
then checking. It will be better if you try to do little bit fast, so that.
Ma'am, I finished the almost.
Okay.
I almost finished the
Okay,
division.
okay. Do it.
12.
Division finished.
Okay, you can do the checking now. Others also, please try to do it. If the answer is wrong, also no problem. You can correct your mistakes. After practicing, your division will be correct. So please try to do it.
Check.
Ma'am, my answer is correct.
Checking also done. Very good. What about others?
Ma'am, now finished. Ma'am,
Three more
I
minutes
just
only left. So,
Ma'am, I just writing checking.
okay. Do the checking. You can continue. Others, please listen how to do it. Okay. So, first we can take 6. 6 is greater than 3. So, we can divide 6 by 3. For that, please write the table. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. We got the dividend over here. So, you can, what will be the quotient?
Quotient
2.
2.
2 you can write here and 6 you can write here. Next step is
Subtract.
subtract. 6 minus 6?
0.
Bring down 4. 4 is greater than 3. So you can divide. In the table, we cannot take 6 because it is greater than 4. 3
Ma'am,
we
we
can take.
3.
And what will be the quotient?
Quotient
1.
1.
1 will be the quotient. Now you can write 3 here down to the dividend that you have divided. Now 4 minus 3?
1.
1. Bring down this 2. 12 is greater than 4. So 3 you can divide 12 by 3. For that you can continue the table. 3 3s are 9.
4 into 3
4
equal to
into
12.
We got 12 over here. What is the quotient?
21. 4.
4.
No.
4 you can write here. 12 you can write here. 12 minus 12?
0.
0.
0.
And after that, please write the quotient. Checking you can do. Please mute your audios, everyone. Please mute your audios, everyone. Please mute your audios. Okay. Now you have to do the checking. Now,
Ma'am, checking finished already.
quotient into divisor.
Plus remainder.
Plus remainder. No need to copy down this. Same answer I will send in the group also. And I will send 2 questions for practice. Please practice it. Answer key also will be sending later. Dividend. So here, which is the quotient? What is the answer we got?
240. 40.
214.
40.
So,
Remainder 0.
yes. Before that, what is a divisor?
Divided 3.
Divisor is
Three.
3 plus remainder is 0. What is the dividend?
642.
642. When you multiply 214 into 3, you will get 642
642.
plus 0.
$642.
This right side you can just bring down. 642 by 0, what you will get?
642.
642 itself. You can just bring down this right side. See, we got the same numbers on the both sides, the right side and left side. So our division is, it is true, our division is correct. Okay, this is the
Yes.
way you have to do the checking. And I will send the same answer in the group that you can take as an example. And please solve 2 questions.
Okay.
Practice more questions and please prepare well for exam. I wish you all the very best for all your exams. Prepare well,
Ma'am,
practice
division
well,
checking is
especially
easy.
maths. Practice more questions. Today I will send you a model question paper. Please try to solve that. Okay,
Okay.
and prepare well, attempt the exam very well, and score good marks. Okay. So
Okay.
next academic year
Thank you,
we will
ma'am.
meet next academic year. So thank you, my dear children. Bye. See you next
Thank
time.
you, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.